Airwallex started in 2015, and quite shortly afterwards, as we saw the growth in the Chinese market, we engaged Alibaba Cloud not just as a technology partner, but as a business partner to help us work out how to actually get into the Chinese market, how to set up our technology, and how to interact with Chinese customers. So what Airwallex as a platform does is enable organizations to take payments in the currency of the customer. From a product perspective, we started off using Ali Cloud Pure Compute just to launch our applications on. We then moved to storage solutions, database solutions, and like most technology companies nowadays, we're moving across to containerization with Kubernetes. I don't think we'd be able to have launched into the Chinese market as quickly and as successfully without the support of Alibaba Cloud, especially when we look at the size of the market and also the size of our engineering teams in both Melbourne and Shanghai and what we're outputting on a weekly basis. They've really supported us in that, both getting products to market, but then also supporting us with those products in market.